I noticed there's no toilet in this house. So where do you guys go? And
we always go to hide on the tree, or we go to the bush and shit.
Oh. Okay.
And we have a place up there. They call it Zoa. There is stones there, big stones. You can go and hide yourself there and shit. So this is how we do it. Because it's too this is our kitchen. We cook here. So we put it here. So this is our kitchen. I'm going to light on the fire. I'm going to set fire. So we're going to set fire for cooking. This is it. The ash is inside. I'm supposed to collect it before putting the listing. So I forgot. Let me do like this. So you will be sitting here, taking care of the fire, pushing it inside, so that it will not go out. That's it.
So where are we heading?
Okay, this is my father's room.
Can we go in? Or?
Yes, please. One about, you know. You can come in.
I can come in.
Yes, please. Because we have a chocolate for mama. Okay. This is my father's room. That is his toilet. And here is veranda.
The veranda.
The veranda.
Okay.
And you can see this. That is guinea fowl eggs.
But what are guinea fowl eggs doing in the room?
He pick it from the outside. They always go outside and lay the eggs on the green the grass. Okay. So unless you trace them and go and pick it from that place and bring it, if not, it will spoil.
Okay, so he puts it here for...
he monitoring the distance, the guinea fowls where they are going. When there is time for them to lay the egg, they have a sound that they always cry. When my father hear that sound that they are going to lay the eggs, he always follow them to the place that they are going to enter and lay the egg, so that he'll bring it inside.
Okay. So why are the eggs? Why are the eggs kept inside here? Why not in the kitchen or somewhere else?
This one, he's going to use it, and he's going to change it. Okay. Rain season, they lay the eggs inside. But dry season, they always lay it outside, unless you trace and pick. And before you ask me something, that why is it keeping it here instead of putting it inside the
Because
kitchen?
This is his room where I clearly see his clothes.
He's going to change it. You know, fowl this thing. What do you call it? Fowl eggs. Fowl eggs. He's going to change it and give the guinea fowl eggs to the fowl. So that they will lay guinea fowls.
Oh, I see.
So he's going to change this.
Oh, okay. That is why he has kept them here.
He kept it here, so that it will not spoil.
Okay.
So he's going to change those things. So coming here, this is my father's room.
So this is the room.
This is the room. This is the bathroom. This is our bathroom.
Is someone in there?
No, please.
Okay, so can I come in?
Come in. This is the bathroom. They floor it with the gravel and cement it, floor it down, but it has spoiled. That's why they put the 2 blocks here.
You stand on the you stand there.
You put the water here, so that it will be bath.
Okay.
Yes. So that is it. Sometimes you can stand like this. So it's here. This is our bathroom. So this is the storeroom that you are asking me that why is it keeping the millet and this thing inside. This is the storeroom. But we didn't fix the gate yet. There's not fixed the gate yet. That's why. Kept them here. So after fixing the gate, we'll bring them back.
Okay.
I think that's all.
So this house was built by your father with the help of the community. That is how they built the house.
Yes.
Okay.
And this, the God that my father is serving. You always come here to ask for peace and long life and protection for all of us. So maybe sometimes you use red millets to come and give them for water that they're having. After taking this thing, bringing everything inside, after farming and everything is ready and they're bringing it inside. No one will eat it unless you use it, the palm it, so that they will give it to our goats before they will started eating the food.
So those are gods.
Yes, please.
All
These ones. Oh. And some too is here.
Where?
Over there. Some too is here. So
that is also a god.
Yes, these ones are also god. So this one, they always put this thing. They always go to our bush and bring some sticks. They'll put it inside its magazine and soak it with water. When they give birth to a small baby, they use that water to bath the child. They'll bath the child with hot water, and the last one that you will use and bath the girl or the baby, they'll use this one to bath the second one, so that the baby will look strong. So,
all right. Okay.
So that's all.
So in total, how many people live in this house?
8 people.
8 people live in
There are
this
8 people.
house. Okay.